Hello. On today's quick fix, we're going to take a look at the Canon AE-1 program rewind knob. Unlike the A1 and the AE-1, the Canon AE-1P rewind knob is made up of 6 separate parts. The knob itself can easily fall apart if it comes off of the camera. So we're going to show you how to reassemble the knob and install it back onto the camera. This is the same knob that can be found on the AL-1. It'll have the same steps. You might be looking at a pile of parts right now and thinking that this is a lot, and it's not. As long as you follow along and do each step, it's going to be a lot easier than you think. Now that your program rewind knob is off, there's a chance that you've ended up with a pile of parts that looks a lot like this. The knob's parts are held together by the rewind screw, which is attached to the rewind shaft. When it is removed from the body, there is nothing holding the parts together, and it may fall apart. You're not going to need any special tools to reassemble it, just a clear workspace and good lighting. You should have a total of 6 parts. Line them up in the order shown. I've numbered them on screen for easy reference. First, take part 1 and 2, that is the rewind lever and the holding spring. Put the rewind lever through the holding spring as shown. Now, take part 3, the rewind knob, and put the rewind lever through the knob. With part 4, the rubber washer, slide it between the rewind knob and the lever spring. Turn over the rewind knob, put the lever spring, or part 5, under the rewind lever. Insert the rewind lever screw through the rewind knob, part 6. Keep pressure on the rewind screw and insert the knob into the shaft on the body. Turn it a few times clockwise. Now you should be able to lift up on the knob and open the camera back. If there is film in the camera, you can remove it now. Push down on the rewind knob and wedge a small screwdriver or tweezers into the rewind fork. Slowly turn the rewind knob clockwise until it tightens. And that's it. A quick side note. The last step assumes you have your rewind shaft in place. If not, we've done another video on how to get it reinstalled. I've linked that in the description. Canon had a total of 3 basic designs for A-series rewind knob. One for the A1, one for the AE-1, one for the AE-1P that's also the same that you'll find on the AL-1.
You know, there's also the AV1, which I believe has a different knob.
Really? I don't want to reshoot this. Do you have one here?
I don't know if I have one here. I might have one at the warehouse.
I'm going to Google it. Hit the cut.
Go ahead, waste your time.
Yeah. That looks like the same knob for the AE-1 program.
It's not. I really don't think so.
No, I'm looking at it. It looks exactly the same.
I've got the parts list here. Why don't we look it up?
Okay. Hold on a sec. I'll just do it.
CG92598.
Okay. So let's keep that in mind and we'll do the next one.
Okay. CA11341.
So it's different. Okay. Canon had a total of 4 basic designs for Canon A-series rewind knob. One for the A1, one for the AE-1, one for the AE-1P, one for the AL-1, and the AV1. If this video helped you out in any way, let us know. Drop a comment below and give it a thumbs up. If you're still having issues, let us know anyway. We'd like to help. Maybe we can get you pointed in the right direction. If you want to see other videos about camera equipment and repair, consider subscribing. We're a father-son team with over 40 years of experience servicing analog cameras. We have the knowledge and the resources, including original parts and factory test equipment to service many film cameras. Hope to see you next time, and until then, we are Bill Rogers Camera.